Open E minor hints. When grabbing the E minor chord, it's easy to accidentally touch some of the other strings, which will mute them. This will make the chord sound bad. To avoid this, you should always fret the strings with the tips of your fingers rather than using your fingerprint. When playing the E minor chord, pay some extra attention to the third string, which beginners often mute by mistake with the ring finger. So use your fingertips to fret and make sure that your ring finger is not touching that third string. Now, grab the chord and pick all strings one by one, starting with the thickest string. If any string is muted, then try to adjust your hand until all strings ring out with a clear sound.